My name is Jeff. Welcome back to Mohawk-Garage. Today we're taking a big group ride. We're gonna go out to Amergosa Valley, explore the Sperry Wash a little bit. It looks like I got about 12 or 13 other riders with me today, so it's gonna be a real great ride. Let's go.
Is it white? Is that what talc? Do they bring that in?
Like talcum powder? No, that's what they're mining.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like talcum powder, like baby powder.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I saw the road was named something.
Yeah, they're all kind of named South something.
this the trail?
Yeah. So it's gonna go that way.
See the car down there?
Yes. My bad.
Micah, don't you know where you're going?
Micah.
I'm like, I'm pretty sure we, I'm like, oh, maybe there's you started to turn into it.
I made that wrong turn last time too. I'm pretty sure they go to the same place though, because I came back that way, I believe.
Yeah, I think there's two way out.
Yeah, I think it goes all the way around that other mountain. Though.
Yeah, but it's a whole different, different trail.
Okay, now I think it's just a reaper.
Probably. Make sure everybody got there. Damn, people don't know where they're going. That don't look good.
Oh no, it's just loose.
Oh, okay.
See the element.
It's good when it's flat. Oh, my bad. I just went down real pretty good.
thicker and stronger than your sidewalk. Yeah.
I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta live in the moment. Yeah. Well, we're just wasting time, fighting the inevitable. I can't do this anymore. We're just wasting time. So you better go. So you better go. I'm gonna miss you. Oh, 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 oh. Don't stop for anyone. Don't stop moving your body. Don't stop for anyone. Don't stop moving your body. I won't forget you. I couldn't if I tried. I won't regret you. But you in my life. There's something different about you.
Rock. Yeah, hanging out at all this aggregate. So I'm guessing this is Amergosa River, and like it's sunken the land down basically. Yeah, and the river is flowing underneath of us right now. Then we're gonna come up here. It's gonna come above ground in a little bit.
Yeah, I wasn't even thinking about that, but